Welcome, family and friends. We have a fun, no-bake Halloween cookie recipe that is so easy, anybody can do it. And I know that your kids or grandkids would love to help make these. It's a Nutter Butter Mummy cookie. The ingredients are simple. You only need Nutter Butter cookies, white chocolate chips, and sugar edible eyeballs. Start by lining a cookie sheet with wax paper. Now melt 6 to 8 ounces of the white chocolate in the microwave in a microwavable dish for about 30 seconds at a time. Check to see if you can stir the chocolate into a smooth texture. If not, microwave another 30 seconds. White chocolate will burn easily, which is why I only microwave 30 seconds at a time until I get that smooth texture when I stir it. I coat the cookies with the melted white chocolate, and if the chocolate gets hard, just pop it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. To make the cookies look like they have a mummy wrapping, I use a tall cup to hold a Ziploc bag and fill it with the remaining 4 ounces of melted white chocolate. Then I make a small cut in the corner of the bag. The tall cup makes it easier when filling the bag with the melted chocolate. Now I just go back and forth with the piping bag, letting the lines go where they want until I get a look that I like. And the last step is adding the sugar eyeballs. They don't have to be perfect, and when they're not, I think it gives them more character and makes them look even cuter. Let me know what you think down in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to meeting you again. So make it a gorgeous day, every day. Bye.